Let's see. Testing in the chat. Anybody hear me? Anybody copy me?
Try.
Go to my channel.
Yeah. Oh, hey. I think you're live.
Hey, testing in the chat. You guys hear me? And then check this out. There's a chat function. Got it. Yeah. Now, so then while you're doing it, you can then put people's comments on the screen. Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
How's it going, guys? We are here. A little bit of a delay. I was setting up the buddy hex that you can see, hopefully through the trees a little bit. But yeah, I got a pretty good crew here. W6TRW will give you a shot around, and we'll be moving. We're gonna go say hi to everybody and visit, and then I'll actually set up my station because I'm the digital czar / emergency beacon getter, which I missed in the morning, so that was fantastic. So this is where I would pull in the little selfie. So we can go, hey, how's it going, guys? Take that off. There we go. So yeah. Ooh, I got with me here.
Hi.
There you go. It's Ara.
6ARA.
We got a number of people. Actually, let's switch. Mark's over here too. Go ahead, jump in there.
Oh. Hello. We're live.
We are live. Yeah, this is quite a nerdy setup we have going. So let's take a little pan around here.
It's a little ridiculous.
I did bring out my my crazy live stream setup. I am on video. I'm taking video right now. If you don't want to be on it, just keep in mind. Anyway, let's take a pan around. We are at the Redondo Beach. What is this, Mark? The Wilderness Park?
Hopkins Wilderness Park.
Hopkins Wilderness Park. And we got D is over there. Who? I didn't get your name earlier. Joe. K6FJY, and they're running single sideband, 40 meter single sideband. And the most important part, we got a restroom right here, so that's fantastic. We love that. We got a couple of new folks, people that are new to radio events like this. We'll take a peek on their setup. 40 meters might be a little quiet right now, but get you some audio.
CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, W6TRW.
It is going to rain tomorrow, which we're very excited about to take out the fires.
And 40 is usually more active at night, isn't it?
Yeah, it'll likely pick up in the afternoon.
I do hear some stuff. I just thought I'd scan, and so far I'm hearing a lot of talk about, presidents and the government and, all kinds of things that are suspicious of whether or not they're actually licensed or not. But,
that's right. All right, we'll walk around. Josh is an alumni from Cal High in Whittier, born and raised in Whittier. Oh, bumping into things. I got to grab my coffee cup at some point. I'm going to zoom in on the next group. How you doing?
Good. Okay. I've seen your videos.
Oh, you have? Well, thanks. Yeah.
Do a great job.
Thank you. I appreciate you watching. Let's see.
CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, W6TRW.
All right. For the camera, who are you and what's your call?
KK6TXI, and I am a guy who likes batteries.
Yes, you are. You'll have to show us your battery in a minute. But oh, the camera's right over your left shoulder.
Cool.
You want on here? I'll turn this way.
Yeah. You can display this if you like.
Yeah, hold on. Let me aim on you a little bit. And what do you here? Let me.
Yeah, go for it. So basically,
here, hold this while you talk.
It's
Bob Barker style. There you go.
It's a custom-built battery. We got a BMS in there that shows all your cell level voltages, your total output, and all that good stuff. So CQ Field Day, W6TRW. So you can see the active loads and all that, and we have all the operators connected to that single battery.
All the operators on the single battery.
So we have
and
around 3 kilowatt hours worth of battery, and we have 80 amps of 13.8 available for the table.
We'll have to show the battery off in a little while. We'll let you keep making calls.
Sounds good, man. Thanks.
Yeah. I got to walk around and get my coffee mug here and refill it.
Sit down and click the CQ button. And there's a proper mouse if you want it.
I used to live in South Whittier until I joined the Army in '88. Oh, man, right on. Well, thanks for your service. K6ARK is further south in San Diego. I don't know if he's going to make it all the way up here.
Auto sends. Oh, I see. Okay. And I set it up so that it calls WFD60LAX to reduce the numbers of backs and forth.
All right, let's take a little walk here and get everybody.
Oh, John.
Yo.
These are custom 3D printed distribution boxes.
Custom 3D. Oh, that's what you're. Wait, is that the battery?
No, batteries over there.
I'm like, how did you get that in there? Okay, so this is, you're feeding it with this,
Yeah.
and then this is the breakout?
Yeah.
Holy
this is all
smokes.
outputs, and there's one there, and there's another one over there, and that's the battery on the ground.
And you're also serving up the internet for me, which I'm using,
Yes.
graciously using. I'm hammering the internet here from you, so thank you.
All good, man.
Yeah. All right, let's see. Guys, what do you think about this next station? This is a station right here. How do you like that for your winter field day? A full flex rig. Here, why don't you tell us a little bit about it? I'm going to give you this mic. It's just like Bob Barker style. You just hold it right up there. Introduce yourself, give your call. Hold that thing way up in there.
Okay, this is Mike WB6DJI, and you're looking at a Flex 6600 we're using for field day. Great radio. And we're using an N3 FJP logging program, and we're running a Flex, and we have a battery system that we have tied into using the Buddy Hex antenna today.
Yep.
And should be good. The band is wide open on 10 meters. And
10's great right now, right?
Yeah, 10 is wide open. So if you guys are out there, get on 10 meters right away. Maybe I'll talk to you.
W6TRW.
W6TRW, we're 5 Oscar LAX.
Excellent.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. We'll come back around and do batteries and all that fun stuff when I take a little pass around here. I think we're also doing digital up here. Yeah. Are you operating from here? Are you getting set up?
FT8.
All right, I'll come back. You looks like you're.
I'm almost there.
All right. And then we got another hex beam. Another hex beam. And a dipole.
6 meters.
What are you running on? 10 meters?
6
6 meters. Okay.
FT8.
So let's show that. 6 meter FT8. And he's got a cool little pulley system. I like this. This is pretty smart. Let's check that out.
It's a little wiggly.
It's a really slow AIM, but it works.
Pretty cool.
It's quick and dirty.
I'm going to slide through you here. Excuse me. Thank you. I'm walking all this way because I need my coffee cup that I set down when I was building the Buddy Hex. No, come on, buddy. This is the club's Buddy Hex. And I'm dodging the minefield of coax to trip me up. Oh, and you got the PA50.
You said your mobile source, correct? Let me get your call one more time. Kilo 6.
So what do you got going on here? You doing JSA call?
JS8 call on 21 megahertz.
Your signal is great. 5.9.
We're trying turbo mode, 6-second cycles.
Yeah. Have you made any contacts yet?
We've made a few on fast mode, which is 10-second cycles.
Yeah.
But at 100 watts, I figure we can do turbo mode 6-second cycles.
We should be able to on the Buddy Hex?
Yeah.
For sure. Yeah.
Somebody will hear this.
Yeah. And we are pointing east right now, W6TRW.
The annoying part is everybody else is running 10-second cycles, so you have to wait a long time.
Oh, right.
Those slow
Yeah.
pros.
Start putting out beacons. Everybody go to turbo mode. I heard there's coffee, so we're gonna check out the provisions now, guys. What do we got for provisions? We got grills. So what bands are we not covering, Mark? We got all the bands covered pretty much, right? We don't need anything. I'm gonna get my coffee cup. Yeah, we're live. Yeah, because I need coffee. No, I got a big cup.
Oh, you got a real cup. All right.
Wait, hold on.
You want to drink
Half.
you
Give me
wanna
about
drink
half a
the
cup.
stale coffee? All right. So yeah, do you want a brief breakdown of what we've got running?
Yeah, why don't we? What's a good? Yeah, you know what? We'll just go ahead and rotate this way.
Because I can point to all the gear if you want.
Let me frame. Yeah, why don't you walk around with the mic and then you can
Oh, okay.
talk while I camera.
What is going to be in frame?
I'll point it to you.
Great.
Bob Barker it.
Bob Barker. Good morning, Internet. And welcome to Winter Field Day.
Yeah.
You are here with W6TRW, and I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough of our stations. I'm also going to drink coffee because Winter Field Day is nothing without caffeine. So we are currently running as 6.0 LAX. That means we are running 6 simultaneous stations. We're running them outside. We're doing it fully on battery power, and we're doing it in the LAX or Los Angeles ARRL section. So starting from the bottom of the bands, we have, if you look over to my left side, we have 40 meters. That is being run by Bill, W6QR, although he's currently providing tech support. That 40 meter system is FT710. Coming over to he's doing 20 meters. Coming over to the 40 meter side, we have Joe. Joe is the secretary for the club. He has a couple different antennas. He's got a small vertical setup and he's got a proper dipole. Over on this table, we have Devin KN6PHZ. He's running 15 meters. And we've also got Mike, WB6DJI, and he is running 10 meters. The 20 meters, the 15 meters, and the 10 meters are all getting pulled off of a hex beam. So we're using a Buddy Hex, a phenomenal system. I love that antenna. So you can see that masted in the trees over there. There's a single feed line coming down, and so the 3 bands we have masted are getting broken out by a triplexer. That triplexer is then feeding over to those stations through filters. The triplexer itself gives you at least 30 dB of band-to-band isolation. The filters add another 40 or 50 dB. So that gets us enough isolation. We can run 3 radios at 100 watts each through this whole system. Gets us a little bit of directionality, and I'm really hoping we get some good results today. And then over to that side of the screen, we have a second hex beam going up. It's a home built, and that's for 6 meters.
Okay.
And then we have another 6 meter dipole that you can see hanging off these 2 masts up near the tree. That is being run by Chris, the former club president of W6TRW. He's WA2KDL. And he's going to be cranking out some contacts for us as well. Later in the day, after the swap meet is over, which runs every month, so if you're in the market for used radio gear or anything else electronic, come to the W6TRW swap meet. Shameless plug. Dylan is going to be coming after the swap meet and helping out as well. So we'll have N6MX on site. But yeah, if you look around, we've got a pretty good representation, and it's going to be a good day.
Yeah. So I got a couple of questions for you.
Yeah.
So is this like a live Winter Field Day sprint kind of more than anything, right? Because we're here for a limited amount of time, so we're trying to be real focused with our efforts.
Yeah, so the question is are we doing a sprint? I would say we're having more of a party and a teaching opportunity than a sprint. The goal is not to win or to rack up points. The goal is to demonstrate capability. We have a lot of new people out today who have never seen a field event. We're doing a lot of teaching to make sure that they understand how all this stuff is set up and why. And we're also testing out some brand new equipment. For example, we have a home-built 3.3 kilowatt power distribution system. It's never been brought out to the field before, and we're currently pulling 350 watts off of that system. And so we're testing how efficiently we can drain that battery to look at future QRO operations. If there's a real emergency, let's say those fires have made it further into the city and we had lost grid power, could we actually come out here with everything we have available in our trunks and set up a full day of emergency communications?
I like it. All right, well, I'm going to walk around. What do we not have covered? Because I can set up pretty much anything or whatever. I think we're pretty covered, though, aren't we?
At this point, we're pretty covered, including by clouds. We're hoping those hold off until 5 o'clock when we're going to be out of the park.
Is there a band we're not on? 80 by any chance?
We're not on 80.
Because I'm going to do WindLink.
You're going to do WindLink.
So
okay.
I think I can run 80 on my vertical. I might be able to make it work.
Since we are a 6.0,
but I'm just doing it for the WindLink contact.
If it's just WindLink, I would take your existing stuff, plug it into one of our pre-existing setups, and just pull it off that. We got plenty of time. I mean, 20 meters.
Oh
is
yeah,
not
no, we got
currently
hours. So yeah, no,
yeah,
I'm not worried
we got
that.
time. 20 meters isn't currently being
Somebody
run.
will
So.
tire out and they'll have a minute, and I'll jump in and
and
set that up.
And I'm also really excited. My partner KO6BTM of Soda Plus, shameless plug.
Yeah.
She's out for her first ever field event.
Nice.
And she has never done Morse code in a contest before.
Oh.
Not that it's a contest.
Oh yeah, you better not say that. Yeah.
But hypothetically.
Right.
It's going to be her first time out here doing this in the field, so I'm really excited for her to get that opportunity.
Anything else you want to mention?
Thanks for everybody who's watching. Ham Radio is awesome, and we have a lot of fun doing this. Thanks for being part of it.
Yeah, appreciate it. All right.
There you go.
Very good. All right. What else do we want to do?
I think Umesh should talk about that battery.
Well, we talked to him briefly. Can you show it off? You want to show it off right now?
Sure.
Where is it?
In particular, your live monitoring system showing the power.
We did. We showed that too.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Where's it at? Where's the big boy at? Is that box there in the middle? Okay, I'll.
There's not really much to look at under the hood because it's all kind of shrouded.
Oh, okay. Well, just show a peek at it.
So the actual battery is underneath this thing.
Got that fire retardant cardboard there.
Yeah. I think it doesn't heat up. I mean, these batteries came out of an electric vehicle, so.
And that is what you do generally, is you use electric vehicle batteries?
Anything lithium that I can cobble together, test very well,
Yeah.
all that good stuff. But it's all fused. There's a battery management system in there. This was expeditedly put together for field days.
Okay,
so,
here, move the lid.
My bad, buddy.
Let me get. No, you're good.
Yeah, everything's fused. I have a breakout cable here. I tried to use proprietary connections.
Yeah, look at that.
So those connections, I don't want anyone to have Andersons that have 24 volt output.
Oh, right.
on them.
You don't want to blast something out.
Yeah, that's why I had to cobble this together, because everything that I have is kind of like, I use it so I understand
Right.
what I'm going to do. And I
Way safer that way.
I could have just seen someone plugging in a high dollar radio to the 24 volt output and asking me for a check. So.
We're not trying to make smoke machines out here.
No.
It's not smoke machines on the air.
Any Anderson that is on the table is 13.8 regulated output, and there's a lot of it to go around.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Great job. Yeah, I love the setup. Thanks for sharing that.
The chemistry that
Let's listen to some of the combos out here.
3.7. All of these connections is a DC to DC converter. The 30 amp DC to DC. And if you look at the voltmeters, one of them's off the DC, and then the other one is your feed, your input voltage.
We are activating from the Redondo Beach Wilderness Park. Something, Bob, something. What's his park name again? Bob Hopkins? Hopkins Wilderness Park. And yeah, this is a public park. You guys are welcome to come down here if you're in the area. Happy to show you the radio stuff. Have some fun. Oh, we didn't get Bill's station. We gotta go talk to Bill. Bill is our resident CW expert, so let's go check his stuff out.
Alpha Charlie Kilo, please copy 1 hotel, Oklahoma 1 hotel, okay, over. Thank you very much, 1 India, 1973.
Oh, where'd I put my mic pack?
Bravo 5, Yankee Bravo Zulu.
Bill has no problem. He's under he doesn't have a problem being under pressure.
Well, Bill is one of the most photogenic individuals. So.
Well, skilled CW operator.
All right.
Go around there. Come on, David. We're gonna watch Bill.
But I want him in.
David, you wanted him in the picture?
Is it okay if I put my mic right there, Bill?
This is
my guest.
Thank you very much.
Tuesday, all right. Okay, get a picture.
All right. Josh is like.
I was stepping into the shot. I'm like, I wasn't asked to be in the selfie.
Hey, you were in it.
Oh.
Okay, now you want.
Okay, I want a picture with all of us.
Oh, okay.
All right, I'm just gonna take a selfie.
Yeah.
All right, guys, jump in behind Bill. We're taking a selfie.
Okay.
Got it.
All right.
On it. All right. And then,
Where am I? There I am.
can I get a go, Bill?
Go, Bill!
Awesome.
We are using the N3 FJP logging system,
Okay, so
and these are. It's sometimes a lot easier to just get it all set up. They're all the computers are networked right now, so they're all sharing their logs over the Wi-Fi that we're putting out, which makes it a little bit easier.
Sure. We can do that with MM too.
You can.
But I've never said I just operated multi-ops and they set it up for me. So.
Yeah. The IT guys said we're going to use N3 FJP, and we went, okay. You're darn right we are. Somebody commented on dead cats. I don't know that I have dead cats. I'll check to see. I might have them in my bag. Hold on, you guys. Bill's poking around. We might hear some side tone in a second.
Yeah. So there's like a lot of connections in the tech area.
Hi, nice to meet you.
I am looking for dead cats, because if they're not in here, I don't know where they're going to be.
Oh, no way. Wow, I have their taking your streets. Yeah. Oh my gosh, do they survive? Are they okay?
Sans dead cat. We do not have dead cats. That's a negative dead cat situation. Sorry, guys. I also forgot my my UV filters, so I'm having to play a little bit of camera magic to make it all work. Oh, 40s. They got something on 40.
Wow. Did you guys work together
It's Hodgkins Wilderness Park in Redondo Beach. Yes, the park is in Redondo Beach.
Yeah. You know.
Why don't we take a little pan of the park too? How's that sound?
The real story is AT&T decided
It's a pretty small park. They got a little pond in the middle.
they transferred
Classic. Yeah. Like HP thinking there's nothing in the personal computer, you know, like, oh, there's so many mistakes. Yeah.
It looks like they're making contacts on the Flex, so I'm going to come back to Bill in a little bit. Bill has an FT710, and he's got a really cool keyer. He's got a keying device that's really, really cool for smashing out code quickly, and he can make a lot of contacts fast with this simple little box he's got set up. Looks like the other hex is going up now. Let's see. Let's get you.
Oh, I remember that day very well. That's like I think it was like a very classic. Also, moment, yeah, where it's like, like putting all these devices into one thing. Yeah.
And then I need my mic that I moved over there.
Yeah. Like, just wild. Yeah.
Thanks, Bill.
Yeah, I remember.
Thanks for coming.
Oh, yeah.
D6TRW. CQ Field Day, CQ
We are
Field
running
Day,
100
Whiskey
watts,
Tango, Radio Whiskey.
which is a little bit more than we normally run. We're more of a
CQ Field
QRP
Day,
club on
CQ
some of these
Field Day,
events.
Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey, W6TRW. CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey, W6TRW.
Ooh.
The kilo again, the kilo
Kilo
station
November
come again.
4.
Okay, Kilo November 4, Sierra Lima Papa. This is W6TRW. We are 6 Oscar LAX. Okay, copy.
My
the
guess
one
is that we'd
hotel
have the
Alfa
most
Romeo.
luck
Look
on
in the
10
contest.
meters right now. It's getting a little later in the day for 10, but
CQ
I
Field
think
Day,
that'd probably
CQ
be the
Field Day.
best place to
Whiskey
find
6
DX for this
Tango,
event.
Radio Whiskey, W6TRW.
Although we are... Oh, this is 10. Yeah, so he is on 10. I forgot
November
that.
Quebec 5 Mike. This is W6TRW. We are 6 Oscar LAX. 6 Oscar LAX.
I wish I could get him to take the plastic off that.
Copy the
Flex. I wanna
one
take it off so
Hotel
bad.
Oscar Kilo. Good luck in the contest. CQ Field Day,
Who's with
CQ
me?
Field Day. Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio
Should I
Whiskey,
just take it off?
W6TRW. Whiskey 5, Whiskey Bravo. Good morning here. This is Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey. We are 6 Oscar LAX. 6 Oscar LAX.
Please copy. I will say that we do have some clouds rolling in,
Copy 3 India November Tango X-ray. Thanks a lot. Good luck in the contest.
and they are rain clouds. So
CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day.
we do have
Whiskey
easy
6
ups.
Tango Radio Whiskey, W6TRW. Victor Echo 2 again.
Oh, sorry, Corey.
Victor Echo 2 Tango Alpha. Copy. We are 6 Oscar LAX. 6 Oscar LAX. Back to you.
I don't know, Corey. That's a great
Okay, copy
question.
the 1 India Quebec Charlie. Good luck.
Well,
CQ
thanks for
Field Day,
watching.
CQ
Appreciate
Field Day,
you
Whiskey 6
watching.
Tango Radio Whiskey, W6TRW. CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, Whiskey 6 Tango Radio Whiskey. CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, Whiskey 6 Tango Radio Whiskey. The Alpha 1 again.
Can you
Again,
see that
again.
flex? A little bit. God, I
CQ
wish.
Field Day, CQ Field Day, Whiskey
Yank
6
that plastic
Tango
off
Radio
and
Whiskey.
throw it
Whiskey
into the
6
river.
Tango Radio Whiskey. The Kilo Foxtrot 0 again. The Kilo Foxtrot 0, try again.
Let's do it, Mark. Let's get in there. 10 meters, man. That's probably the
Not too
spot.
strong here. Try again. Whiskey 6 Tango Radio Whiskey, Field Day. No copy, no copy. Try again later. Whiskey 6 Tango Radio Whiskey, W6TRW, CQ Field Day.
Can I ask you if we could remove the screen for a second? Could we remove this for a little while?
This?
Yeah. Is that okay? It doesn't come across as well on camera, and it's such a beautiful screen. I don't want to.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. You can slide back over. You're perfect.
CQ Field
I-
Day, CQ Field
I
Day.
did. I had to ask. I had to ask.
W6TRW.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. He can put it back on. I realize it's an iPad cover. Okay, we got a little bit of glare. I'm going to sort that out, guys. Don't worry.
CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey, W6TRW.
Ben, join the W6TRW club.
CQ Field Day, CQ
What's the
Field Day,
website?
Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey.
W6TRW.com? Yeah. Join us.
CQ Field
They
Day,
do
CQ
events like
Field Day,
this,
Whiskey
not
6
just for Winter Field
Tango,
Day.
Radio Whiskey, W6TRW.
We're on this cam. That's the so this is the like the
CQ
studio
Field Day,
back end.
CQ Field Day,
So if I
Whiskey
wanted to,
6
I can do like
Tango,
this.
Radio Whiskey, W6TRW.
And you can switch back.
Oh, that's cool.
And I can put picture in picture.
CQ Field Day,
So-
CQ Field Day,
Oh,
Whiskey
nice.
6 Tango, Radio Whiskey, W6TRW.
Yeah, believe it or not, Winter Field Day actually you get some pretty decent contacts on 2 meter
The
simplex. You'd be
November 3,
surprised.
November 3, try again. Try again. You're right at my noise level.
Ooh, he's.
No copy. We'll try again later.
It's like we couldn't have had a better radio to demonstrate here because he's got the speaker
CQ Field
on
Day, CQ
and he's
Field
also
Day,
on the
Whiskey 6
cams.
Tango, Radio Whiskey, W6TRW. CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey. CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey.
Since it's not really a contest, but at the same time it's more of a contest than not, so I'm not going to share frequencies, but we are on 10 meters, 20 meters, 40 meters, and 15.
CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day.
Right now,
Whiskey
10
6
meters,
Tango,
upper side
Radio
band,
Whiskey,
upper side band,
W6TRW.
which is, you know, you expect that.
CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day. Whiskey
I like
6 Tango,
N1MM
Radio
too, but
Whiskey,
for most contests,
W6TRW.
events, we got a lot of people. It's just easy to use N3FJP. If the IT guys want to go to N1MM, they're more than we're more than willing. Clouds look a little bit ominous. A little bit. We got easy ups on hand. Okay. We might want to pre-stage Dylan, who's not, because he's waiting for the swap meet to close. Hey, what's up, Ireland in the chat? Appreciate you watching. Ten years in New York, huh? We should be pretty long. Maybe 10's short right now. I don't know.
Tango, Radio Whiskey, W6TRW.
Yeah, this is a bit ominous. I'm gonna pan over here to show you the cloud situation. Get it ready. Here we go.
And so the different frequencies come out of these three ports. The filters, if you need more isolation,
I don't know, guys. I think we should start preparing for weather. What do you think?
the filters clean it out. So these give you another 40, 50 dB of isolation.
Whiskey 6
Because let's say
Tango,
that
Radio
depth
Whiskey,
enhancements, you don't want to blow up nice
W6TRW.
radio. So that's what these are.
I did, yeah. You need it? So the tan bag on top of the box, one of the outside pockets has the black stick in it, so just grab that. You know how to run it, right?
And then one thing that's a really good
Okay, yeah, it's pretty easy.
so that you plug a saber
See if I can fight this glare a little bit. Can I get rid of that? Yeah, I think so.
Whiskey 6 Tango,
Beautiful.
Radio Whiskey,
Look at that, guys.
W6TRW.
This is why I bring this camera out here.
So what Umesh did is he designed custom cables to break out that power.
You know, Jordan, I don't really know.
And so
You
this is
could
coming
submit a log with just one contact. That would be great. But I think, yeah, you can reply to us. Just know your ARRL section, and you're going to be a home operator, and you will be a 1H, I think. Somebody in the chat help them out. But yeah, we'd love to get your contact.
Kilo Echo 5 Hotel Charlie Fox copy W6TRW.
And then I watched it work.
Texas.
QSL, that's a Kilo Echo 5 Hotel Charlie Fox 1 Hotel South Texas. We are 6 Oscar LAX, copy?
Okay, yes, Oscar LAX. The call is Whiskey Papa Romeo Whiskey, correct?
It's Whiskey 6 Tango Radio Whiskey, W6TRW.
Okay, got you there. Thank you. Thank you for the correction and sorry for my mistake. And I hope you guys are having a blast out there. So thank you very much. 6 Oscar LAX.
QSL, have a great contest. This is Winter Field Day. Thanks again for the contact. W6TRW, 6 Oscar LAX, 73.
Thank you guys, 73. God bless.
We're in the west, pointing east for the low band. So everything 20 and lower, Winter Field Day, we're aiming east. This is where I can start doing like the play-by-play. Well, he's on 20 meters right now. Oh no, he's on 10. He's on 10 meters. 10 looks a little quiet for this time of day. He seems to be looking for the hunting pounce. A true predator in the wild. Peak of performance with his Flex 6600. The M model with the screen. We don't see those in the wild very often.
CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day.
How's my audio balance between his radios? Too much?
CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day. Whiskey 6 Tango Radio Whiskey.
Looks like it's... Oh, no, I'm coming over the top. We're good.
CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day. Whiskey 6 Tango Radio Whiskey.
And we have the street racers in the background in Redondo Beach, California, where we operate radio.
CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day. Whiskey 6 Tango Radio Whiskey. CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day. Whiskey 6 Tango Radio Whiskey.
We got it. We may as well set it up and not be scrambling.
Whiskey 6 Tango Radio Whiskey.
The weather team is coming in.
Whiskey 6 Tango Radio Whiskey.
Yeah, the $60 Walmart special over the...
CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day. Whiskey 6 Tango Radio Whiskey.
Oh, it's a great screen. Yeah. That's why I've got the camera pointed at it while he's operating. It looks great. I did not go with the screen model. I just have the flat face one because mine's shoved under a shelving system. You can't even see it. Yeah. That's one of the big things about them. If my attic, because I have a roof-mounted hex beam, if I had my wherewithal, I'd put the Flex up in the attic, like right where the drop box is for the ground. Oh yeah, it'd be fantastic. But I think it's just too hot up there for it to live. So, plus I don't want to crawl around in the attic. I don't know. So Oh, we're hitting herd in the Chicago area. That's fantastic. So I am the WinLink guy. I'm more of the digital operator in the group, or I guess more skilled in that area. And so they want me to do a lot of that stuff here in a little bit, but the band captains have set up their own responsible stations for operating.
Have fun, 7-3. CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day.
Sorry, I'm not trying to interrupt him so you guys can hear.
Radio Whiskey, W6TRW. CQ Field Day,
so
CQ Field Day. Whiskey
my goal is when we got a lull in the action, I'll grab my stuff and set up real fast for some WinLink. Exchange some emails.
CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day. Whiskey 6 Tango Radio Whiskey. CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day. Whiskey 6 Tango Radio Whiskey. CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day.
We're making it to HRO Milwaukee. Let's go.
The November 1 again.
Mike Radio Kilowatt.
Okay, November 1, Mike Radio Kilowatt. We are 6 Oscar.
Oh, yeah.
6 Oscar
Yeah.
LAX.
It's doing great, yeah. So sometimes when I'm hotspotting off my phone, I'll run out of data. So I can probably go over an hour because when this dies, I just swap the battery. But I'll have to change mics at some point to throw a charger on this guy, but it'll be fine.
I did this because I wanted to.
Okay, what is your class?
Oh, yeah. So that splits between T-Mobile and something else?
It is it's a ubiquity
Copy the
model that
1G,
has the
Charlie
capability
Tango.
of
Okay, when we are 6 Oscar, 6 Oscar LAX, QSL.
GPS antennas, 2 802.11
73, good luck.
Wi-Fi antennas.
Oh, wow.
Do you use cellular as a primary or as a backup internet?
The Victor
Oh, cool.
station, the Victor Echo station.
I actually keep getting calls.
Uh,
Not using it, I pick it up from like businesses.
Okay, Victor Echo 7, Foxtrot Whiskey. We are
Gotcha.
6 Oscar LAX.
Roger. Hotel Bravo Charlie. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're all well down there. Over.
hey,
Yeah,
thank
we're
you.
getting a little bit of rain, so it will help out for the fires. So, what is your class again?
I'm live
What's your
right now.
class?
This is the live feed.
Oh, fantastic.
Charlie, I'm glad you're doing great. We've been watching you guys all
Yeah.
over to you and your family. 7-3.
Yeah, I'm getting tired of the fires.
Or you
so
can
I'm looking
do,
forward to
I can just
rain.
switch over.
73 is good luck.
Cool,
Victor
cool.
Echo 7, Foxtrot Whiskey. 73 W6TRW. 73.
No,
CQ Field Day,
it's called
CQ Field
Switcher.
Day, CQ Field
Switcher
Day.
Studio.
W6TRW, W6TRW, CQ Field Day.
Let's make a contact to Chicago. Get on the radio, guys.
I hit someone in the Hoggy Desert.
The Alpha again.
Do we have another easy up? We might need another one. I think this is going to start.
This is a problem.
Well,
there's a couple of you in
not so
there
much a
that have
problem, just a
pile of,
reality.
yeah, try again.
Oh, yeah, definitely. No. No.
Okay, I had 3 people all transferring at the same time coming back. That was really hard to copy there. The Delta Oscar Sierra.
Oh, wow, we're getting into the UK? Who's on 20?
Okay, Whiskey Zero Delta Oscar Sierra.
Is it
Copy
Bill?
that. We are 6 Oscar LAX, 6 Oscar LAX. Back to you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I'm
Okay,
thinking
got
about,
one level,
we're going to wrap up here around 4:30 my time.
Thanks a lot for the
Once I
contact.
help
Good
them
luck
bring
in the
down the buddy hex, I'm probably going to go home and just start the after chat then.
Field Day, CQ Field Day.
So I probably will be live again, guys. So, make sure you go to the link in the video description, join the Discord. We'll be taking your questions live, and we may pull up other Winter Field Day content if people are live. I know Jason, Him Radio 2.0 is probably going to be live from their location because they're there all weekend, which would be fun to catch up with them. Maybe we'll do a Zoom or something like that. I plan nothing. There's nothing other than getting here and helping them out. But yeah, so keep that in mind. The nuke is what's running the screen, so he's into his flex. Maybe why don't we change this up a little bit? Here, let's do this. Let's slide on over here.
QSL, gotcha. Kilo Delta Zero Bravo Whiskey Kilo. This is W6TRW. We're 6
How's that?
Oscar, 6
Whoop,
Oscar
sorry. Ooh, too
LAX.
fast. Calm down.
Okay, got the 3 Alpha India.
So the nuke is running N3FJP.
7-3.
And I'm assuming also connected to the flex for band control. Yeah, it looks like he's polling. You can see 10. You can't see it on the camera, but he's on 10 meters on the app.
Station ending in Quebec. Get the station ending in Quebec again. Okay, Whiskey 9 Alpha Lima Quebec. We got you there.
5-9 in South Florida, right on.
You're coming in great. We are 6
Oh.
Oscar LAX. 6 Oscar
I
LAX.
just got a drop of rain. Where's Mark? Hey, Mark. Do you have another easy up?
Okay, I got the 4 India. 4 India. What is your section? What is your section again?
So it's starting to drizzle.
Okay, got India November. Good luck. Thanks a lot for the great contact.
What's up?
W6TRW 73.
Oh, nice. Excellent.
The station ending
Great.
Foxtrot again.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. Oh, yeah, because we've got the
Okay,
Azel.
Whiskey Bravo 6.
Or we're getting
Whiskey
one.
Bravo 0, Victor November Fox. This is W6.
Do we have access to the roof to set it up?
6 Oscar LAX.
Oh, okay. Well, Oh, cool. Excellent.
Yeah, we
Huh?
are 6 Oscar LAX.
Hashnasi?
Los Angeles section. LAX. So back to you.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Not on my server, but yeah, you can do it on yours.
Okay, copy. And it was 1 India, Nebraska. Thanks a lot.
Ooh, 5-6 into the UK on 20 meters. Who's on 20? Are you on 20? Is that 20?
CQ Field Day. Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey.
Who's got a radio?
The kilowatt one
Take
again?
your pick.
QSL, the K.
I don't. That one might be free. Are we doing JS8 right now?
Okay, I think it's Kilo 5 Oscar Tango.
But is anybody using it? Yeah, ask
Okay, where's the,
Devin.
where's your call? I got Kilo Fox.
Because you might.
Germany Tango.
Are you trying to do single sideband?
Okay, Kilo Fox 5, Germany Tango. Gotcha. We
Yeah,
are
ask him when
6
he's on.
Oscar LAX, 6 Oscar LAX. Back to you.
Oh yeah, I know, dude. Totally. Hey, Adam, right up. What's up, man? We need it so bad that I don't even care if we get rained on. We'll adapt.
Class? What is your class? Okay, what is your class again? Okay, Kilo Fox 5, Germany Tango. I got 1 Mike, Northern Texas. Is that right? Oh, Kilo 5, and that was Golf Tango? Okay, got it now. Kilo 5,
nice to
Golf
meet you.
Tango. A lot of
Nice to meet you.
stations in
Yeah.
there. Fun here.
I have
Okay, Kilo 5 Golf
just
Tango,
handheld.
Kilo
I have a
5
small
Contest,
Azel
TRW,
rotor
6
set up,
Oscar LAX,
but I haven't really
73.
been able to get it set up. So, yeah, I'm live actually right now on my YouTube channel. So the camera feeds into this cradle, which goes into the phone. The phone and the iPad are on the Wi-Fi network. They're talking to each other, and this is running a software suite called Switcher Studio. And so it allows me to switch back and forth.
Okay, you're Northern Texas, is that right? Oh,
Let's
San
see.
Antonio. Okay, yeah, I've been there before. I have a lot of relatives that live in San Antonio.
It's getting cold here
We
too.
are 6 Oscar LAX.
Cold for California, guys, not actual cold.
73, good luck. This is W6TRW, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey.
Yeah, keep in touch. I'm Angelina.
Oh, Angelina, I'm Josh. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
We'll keep in touch. I'll send you a DM.
Okay,
Yeah, the
cool.
Whiskey
Yeah.
Alpha
Yeah.
5,
Post in the
Whiskey
Discord
Alpha 5
to
again.
coordinate.
Yeah, I work for Impulse Space, which is right next to.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Whiskey Alpha
But,
5,
he told
Charlie
me, like, I can
Kilo
get
Fox.
access to
This is W6TRW.
Yeah, you could probably work with
6
them
Oscar
to set that up
LAX, 6
for like a
Oscar
visitor
LAX.
thing that they have there. So nice to meet you. Yeah. See ya.
Okay, great signal from North Texas. Good luck in the contest from W6TRW, Southern California, LAX.
Oh no, we're digital shooter. We'll definitely put up some easy ups. Don't worry. Worst case scenario, I'll grab my rain jacket and throw it over the flex.
Station ending in Quebec. Station ending in Quebec again. Okay, Kilo
There you go.
85, Whiskey Romeo, Quebec.
Now you
This is
drag her out on the
W6TRW,
sodas with
6
G.
Oscar
Yeah,
LAX, 6 Oscar LAX.
you did. Well, you asked me if I could go, but I was like, oh no.
But dude, that tiny.
Did he bring it? The antenna? Okay. No, did
Okay,
he bring one?
North
He might have
Texas,
one.
What is your class? What is your
Oh,
class
okay.
again?
However, I was entertained beyond.
One hotel. Okay, got you in the log. 7-3.
Come back on that thing.
Yeah.
The funny
QRZ
part,
from
there's the
W6TRW,
guy up in
Whiskey 6
Washington.
Tango,
I could
Radio
hear
Whiskey.
him. He couldn't hear me, and so I jokingly tried to go, and I was like, "Hey, buddy, I'm only 3 feet
I
above
got a
ground.
pile up there.
I think
Pile
I
up
should
there.
double my
Try
height."
again,
So
try
I went
again.
like this, and I started keying like that, and that's how I got the contact because it mattered.
Who's on 20
Station
right now?
ending in Popeye. Station ending in Popeye.
Oh, that's why they're hearing him. He's getting into UK. We've got multiple people saying they're hearing him in the UK. Yeah, they said he's on 14,295. He's not doing single sideband. Bill doesn't do single sideband.
6 Oscar LAX, 6 Oscar LAX.
I don't know who you guys are hearing on 20 because I don't know that we have anyone other than Bill.
We do not. That's one band per person.
Yeah.
Okay, copy the 1 Mike Bravo Charlie, British Columbia. Thanks a lot for the contact. And 73's good luck. W6TRW.
I don't know that we're on 14,295. Maybe I'm not understanding the dash there. Our 20-meter guy's on CW.
7 November Alpha. Got a pipeline into British Columbia. This is W6TRW. We're 6 Oscar.
Yeah, I didn't think so.
LAX.
Please copy. No.
Okay, I got the 2 Oscar Bravo Charlie. Great signal here from British Columbia.
Oh, I was wondering, I'm like, why is that quality so good? And they're like, oh, it's VHF. Like, that guy's in the park somewhere. You have him join us.
Yeah, so Dylan's coming over.
Good.
He's bringing 2 easy ups.
Good. Yeah, we need it. Because this is my rain detector. I'm getting drops.
You're getting drops on the rain detector?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
And then, what are we on there?
Oh, that's 15.
What is the
Okay.
class?
Yeah. By the way, Devin on 15 has been our anchor station for the last 2
I know,
years.
yeah.
Dude,
On
but
JS8 or single sideband?
Okay, got it. 2
unlike
Oscar,
everything, he usually does FT8.
Okay,
but
thanks a lot for
15
the
is just
contest.
always
We are
phenomenal.
6
Yeah.
Oscar
No, 15's great.
It's funny because everybody's on 20. And so 20 is always good, but just because people are
It's
there,
crowded.
15 is a better band most
Yeah.
of the time, but
Almost.
nobody's there.
Yeah. I always like working on 15.
15's great.
We are directional. We're pointing east right now, east.
Wow, this is a beautiful system you got.
If I brought my filters, it'd be even better. I don't have my
Can I take a picture of
my
you
ND
with
filters.
this?
Yeah.
This is,
We are 6 Oscar LAX, 6 Oscar LAX.
I am live streaming to YouTube right now. So the camera feeds into this cradle, which feeds into the phone. The phone is on the Wi-Fi with the iPad, and they're sharing the video feed. The iPad is what's streaming to his internet connection, and then this is a studio application called Switcher, and I can switch feeds. So now we're on the iPad camera.
The 0 again, the 0.
I can go back to whatever, and then I can throw my logo on there. I can throw a little picture-in-picture action. If you want to get real fancy, you can do that, and then you can double up, and then boom. Now we're in a it's
amazing.
yeah, it's pretty cool.
This is really nice.
Yeah. The only problem is this is like you have to pay for this monthly, so I only do the like $20 7-day week use whenever I go to a ham fest,
Oh, that's fair.
and I just pay for it at the time. Yeah, it is pretty cool. Oh, and it's like only iOS.
The Whiskey 5 again.
You have to be on iOS. It doesn't run on anything else.
Wait, Adam's on here.
Yeah, Adam's been hanging out.
What's up, Adam? How you doing, buddy?
TRW, 6 Oscar LAX. How copy?
Hello.
Oh, look at he just dropped your.
Okay, got the
I don't think I can pin it from here, Adam. I don't know if you can.
We got some spoilers. We actually have 2 announcements that we're going to have in the next video.
Oh, cool.
And Ara may be involved in everything.
Oh yeah. Things are brewing.
Things are brewing. There's some very cool hardware that he's thinking
Station
about.
ending in X-ray.
Highly recommended, James. And James, a cool point to mention, and I'll bubble myself in here. So a fun thing to mention is if your club has a calendar, make sure you go check out the calendar and make sure that they're activating or they're operating, right? Because that's what you're looking for, right? You don't just want a club that's just going to sit and talk on the repeater and have meetings and not get out. You want to do something fun. But so this is my live setup, my portable live
If you
setup.
want to see what an active club looks like, they can go to our club calendar at w6trw.com.
Yeah.
Go to the calendars tab, and we have a Google Calendar. People can check out what we're up to. There's descriptions in the events. You can see the monthly stuff. You can see the activations. What doesn't show up there is all of the impromptu events. but
Yes.
but you should be
Like
seeing
going
it.
to the bar.
We don't go to the bar. We enjoy social discussions
That's it. Yes.
at facilities that
That
support.
also serve
Okay,
alcohol.
copy the
There are like-
Minnesota
Yes,
one
yeah.
hotel. Thanks a
Yeah,
lot. Good luck in the contest.
w6trw.com. Right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
W6TRW.com.
Go check that out. For an example,
Whiskey
the
One
calendar's
Tango
helpful though
Bravo
because
X-ray, W6
yeah, I'm live.
TRW with your 6 Oscar LAX.
I mean, you've been on YouTube many times. That was Mark's wife.
Okay, was it W1 Victor?
It is
what they call? And
properly
your
starting.
recognition?
I will call this the this is an official California drizzle that we're getting right now. 10 meters, doing pretty good.
Copy W1 Victor.
I am
Bravo
doing okay on battery. I'm
X-ray.
gonna have to go to.
This is
Hit the rain away.
No, we need it. This is California. What are you talking about? We need all the rain. Throw a jacket. Get a tarp. Get a tarp.
CQ Field A, CQ Field A, W6T.
No, I love it.
CQ Field A, CQ Field A, Whiskey 6 Tango.
This is literally how I that was like my first antenna setup. Is just get a bunch of painter's poles and rig that sucker up. You're doing it.
CQ Field A, CQ Field A.
No, man.
W6T,
It's an antenna in the air. It can't be embarrassing if it's resident.
Okay, the Kilo Golf 1 again.
The last thing I would do is roast an antenna or a station that's operating.
Okay, I got Kilo Golf 1. Repeat the last of your call as these are some QSR.
All right,
there. Try again.
let's pull back.
The Kilo Golf 1 again.
I'm right behind you guys.
Okay, you're fading out right when you give the last.
Pretty good
letter of
group.
your call. Try again.
I'm right behind you, so sorry. Good job. I don't know where my coffee cup is. Where did I put it? Oh, did I throw my I threw my coffee away. Why did I do that? Good group. I'm not sure if these are current live chats I'm seeing, but we are. What was the? Geez, how many times I can't remember the park name. Wilderness Park. Oh, I know that, but it's got a name. Hopkins. Wilderness Park in Redondo Beach. Everybody's welcome. Yeah, buddy. Hopkins Park. Hopkins Park. I keep forgetting. Hopkins. Samsonite. I was way off. I think half of it's me drinking it right now. Sorry. Too bad there's not like a sign. Oh, dude, the Proud Bird. What's up, Corey? Yeah, you know what's going on. Yeah, they did a significant like refresh to the Proud Bird, which is a really fun restaurant with these old warbirds. And yeah, they had a bunch of really cool stuff in there. But yeah, you're totally on it, man. You know the area well. welcome to sunny Southern California. How we doing? Let's give you a weather update. Oh, buddy, I'm sensing some rain coming. We thought it would be Sunday, but we had to be prepared. We do have a station on 6 meters. 6 meters, you are on what?
Well, he's going to be on
You
FT8.
can't use FT8.
No. Okay.
Oh, you can't?
No, not on winter field day.
Oh. Really?
Yeah.
Them's the rules.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's not. So winter field day is all about like emergency communication.
Okay, well, I'll grab
So
my radio.
you can't exchange emergency info over FT8. So that's. I don't know. I would just hop on there since 6 can be so flighty. I just flip it over to single sideband and see if you can see anybody on the waterfall. Oh, at the end of 91, so you're in phantom carriage territory. Haha, I know the area well. Nice. Dean, you made a contact? Contact on 10, congratulations. I may have to go get a jacket. I'm gonna swap my jacket. I don't see fire smoke anywhere right now. In fact, I'm gonna go get a jacket. I'm gonna get my second layer here. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna stay on mic, but anyway, be right back. You can probably still hear me. This remote mic is pretty good. So my one thing I didn't get was the emergency beacon. We got to the location and it opened at 10 and the beacon was at 10:15. So what I should have done was just use my ATOS when I was in the park and receive it over my 891, but I did not have that wherewithal. So that is my bad. Thanks, Adam. W6TRW.com. Check it out. Let's see. It looks like we're making contacts on 40. Let's swing over to the 40 station. Nice. Good job to you, buddy. Oh, it looks like antennas are just, ooh, this is dangerous. I don't like the way this is being done right here. Hold on. I am going to fix this live. So I got to fix this or otherwise Gordo will be mad at me. Don't walk away from a problem you see, guys, even if you're live, okay? Oh, we use rigid coax. That's no bueno. I don't like the... You know what? Let's do this. And then let's stretch this out a little bit. Yep. Is this a new line of coax? So when you get it home, take it outside and stretch the whole thing out and like let it calm down. And then do you know the flip hand method to... No, so you do one loop regular and then you do another one reversed and then one regular and then one reversed. That way it never kinks up again. So yeah, take that out. And this is semi-rigid. So you really do need to take all that.
This is actually going to end up on my friend's roof.
Oh, good.
I'm
Yeah.
just using some...
If you get a length of coax you use for portable, always make sure you stretch your coax, kids. I'm just kidding. That doesn't mean anything. Then we got a coil, and oh, this is that. This is either the Cheligans or it's that HRO antenna. Oop, bang. You making contacts over here?
What's that?
You making contacts over here?
Not too many. 40 meters is, I don't want to say it's dead, but not very active.
Kind of looks like you're a little noisy too. Did you get the noise sorted out?
I mean, I was noisier earlier.
The noise has improved, is what you're saying.
This is better, yeah. CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, W6TRW. 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 CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, W6TRW.
Well, you keep hammering.
I'm not very,
I
not find much
40
content.
might not be the do you know, can you do JS8 call on that?
A what?
JS8 call, the digital mode? That might work better.
Yeah, I don't know what that is, but...
Are you connected to this? No, you're not. Okay. So you're just using that to log. You're not connected with USB?
No.
Okay. It's probably not the time to do this, but JS8 calls it digital mode, and on 40, a lot of people use it.
Yeah.
So maybe I'll see what Mark wants to do, but I don't want to take you offline if you're going to be. Let me think about it. Come back.
CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, W6TRW.
So I do have a message that there is a Australian state. Are you an extra or a general?
I'm extra.
Oh, okay. Can you hear anybody on 7.185?
CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, W6TRW.
Oh, it's a DX station, so just see if you can hear anybody.
Oh.
And which antenna are you on?
I'm using his...
This wire antenna? Okay.
That's mine, and I've had success with it, but it's, you know, it's some more POTA stuff, and it's
Yeah.
not gonna transmit.
That long wire is probably going to do better for you.
Yeah, for sure. So I'm not hearing anything?
Okay, well you...
Not on 7185.
I'm not trying to give explicit frequencies to people in chat since it is a radio event, but we are on 40 meters, 20 meters, 15, 6, and 10. So you can scan around and look for us. We're W6TRW. Give it a shot. All right, I need to swap batteries on this camera rig. So I'm going to put this here. Wow, the chat is being weird. All right, so I'm going to do a little surgery. And I need to... Literally, we're swapping batteries live here. I get about an hour out of one of the batteries in this camera. Pretty close balance. Now I'm balancing the gimbal, so. Oh, that's two. Good. All right, we're back on the air.
What about
There we go. Live hot swap.
I don't plan to be here for.
Yeah, Fiat Lux. I did a video 2 weekends ago with K8MRD, Ham Radio Tube, and we went over JSA Call for Winter Field Day as well as some other digital modes. I think I already answered this one. I can't, the chat application is being really weird. It's showing me old chats and new chats and they're like intermingled. Yeah, we're on 6 meters. Yeah, 40's a little wacky right now.
I would do that.
Are you making contacts? Doing pretty good on 15?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? I'm gonna try and get you in here.
I would, but I would drop Josh.
Yeah, copy, Dave. I did see
He's
what did update on the map.
I'm on.
connected in the stream.
There's an
And then it
auto
would
function
To
on
change
that.
the wire, the Wi-Fi.
Find it, let me
It would just be the Ethernet cable.
So that's a lamp. It's a LAN port right now.
Yeah, I think it's under
But
the
it's gonna
function
serve
or under
NAT.
the,
It's gonna
Which is
serve
good.
play
Which is
slash
fine.
setup key.
For the internet connection,
Go in there and
it'll be a separate network still. So if you connect to that, you won't be able to log.
Got it. You're putting in your LAN port.
But I'll put it in my WAN
All
port.
right, let's do it.
Sorry, we're doing
Live IT?
some live IT. So we've got one network set
Hold
up.
on, let me give you a mic so we can hear all the dirty bits that go into every ham radio event.
Oh god. Sorry.
No, you're good. Keep going.
Roger.
Oh, okay.
Copy to to IMO KF0
Right.
Just drink it
LP minus 17
across all the high
UR minus 17.
Yeah, you want that right over the top.
Okay, sorry. Making a contact.
Yep.
So we've got one network that's just a little MikroTik router board. It's actually configured right now as an Aridin node. We're completely ignoring that fact. Technically, if it could be used that way, but we're not. So everybody connects over the LAN, and this is serving DHCP. I've got it set up where if you connect to this one, you'll get a NTP. It'll tell your computer NTP server is this computer. And I've synced this one to GPS time and it has an NTP server. The GPS is actually the 705. That's the only reason I brought that radio. And then all the computers around are connected to that for logging.
Okay.
Now, Umesh here brought this cool Ubiquiti?
Yeah, Ubiquiti
This is
mobile router.
Ubiquiti mobile router, and Ubiquiti has a cell connection, and that's what you're streaming off of
Yes.
right now. So what we're doing is we're gonna
Oh, we're gonna bridge them.
we're gonna we're not quite bridging them, so
Okay.
it will be two separate networks. So
Oh.
this one will be in the WAN port. Internet.
Nobody start watching Netflix and kill my bandwidth, okay?
Right. So now technically, all of the logging computers will be able to also get on the internet through this same connection. And if it's a problem, we'll unplug it, and it's fine. But that's just a nicety.
Yeah, let's give it a shot.
We'll see what happens.
Well, if the stream
haven't
drops,
done
we'll
this
know.
before.
Let's see what kind of activity we got on JS8. Pretty good. Jose, are you in the park or what? What do you mean? Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. He said that the exposure to the general public is one of the best things for the service and hobby. I appreciate it. Yes, I agree. Yeah, we've had a couple of people come up and ask what we're doing, what we're up to, and We love doing that. We love talking about that. Uh-oh, did we lose? I don't think so. Somebody's digital shooters joking in the chat.
It doesn't
just turn it on and drive around. I mean, when they're doing whatever they're normally doing, they just have the radio in their cars. They may as well have it on and listening. There's surprising number of contacts on the mountaintop of somebody like, oh, I'm driving on 210, just heard you and thought I'd call.
Internet's logging on to Discord. Yep. Oh, there's literally photos.
Stream is still up. Good.
All right, everyone jump on Netflix.
Yeah, jump on Netflix. Go for it.
Actually, I'm going to start streaming your stream so I can watch you.
Is it on Netflix?
No, on YouTube.
Oh no, but I was on I was on the Science Channel.
Oh, okay.
And the miniseries I don't think is on Netflix or anything. It was called Phantom Signals. I don't know where they put it. I am in Redondo Beach, California right now, in Hobson Park. I don't remember the name of the park. Yeah, well, but it's got a name.
Oh, it's got a
Hobson. Dobson. We got Dobson here.
First time I've ever been here.
We're just going to call it Dobson Wilderness Park. I agree, but I wasn't going to say anything. Looks like they're running 6 meters over there. I would be shocked. He said over.
Voice contacts on 6 meters, I think. Like, you're talking to somebody, right?
On 6? That's pretty impressive. I think I'm gonna slide over there. The rare 6 meter field day contact. So this is a little bit of high ground here. You can see up over the area, maybe. I don't know. We're pretty. You actually making some contacts?
No.
Okay.
Unfortunately not.
Yeah, 6 meters is a little.
Something else. There was somebody here, but he was just in the noise. I think he was hearing us. But I can't say for sure. Because there's some.
Let me try that.
6 is sometimes difficult.
I'm gonna try FM.
Oh, he's going FM, guys.
We're going FM.
Hang on.
Hang on. Oh. Frequency modulation.
Yeah.
We're doing it live. Aiming for the rare 6 meter contact. Very hard to do in a field day scenario. He's using the tuner for some reason. Bold move, Cotton. Let's see how it works for him. Hey, what's up, Charles? Made a contact.
CQ Field Day, this is Whiskey 6, Tango Romeo Whiskey, over.
Barely put a dent in there, my friend. 3.6 gigs.
Oh, good.
35, so I think you're good for
3.6 gigs is not bad, though, over an hour. I'm only doing 720, so.
Okay. Yeah, your upload stream is 6.5 megs per second, so the internet's actually holding pretty good.
That's actually a really good piece of information. Thanks. So I'm guessing it would double that if I was trying to like do 1080. Because if it's 720, that's double usually. So probably safe to assume just double that. So you need about 14 megabit upload. That's a good piece of info. I'll keep that in mind.
Download's pretty consistent at 5 as well. I don't know why. Maybe I'm doing Windows
I don't
updates.
think it's me. It might. No. I don't know why I would get.
Now all the computers are being served by it, though.
Yeah. Now we're getting a little bit of lag. So this is from Mentaloo. Just got General in NJ NYC. Really hard to decide which handheld to buy. Try quad band preferred, given I don't know yet what's around. Q10H TD75. Wife can use GMRS, and I would like GMRS. Is that what he said? And I would like. Oh, I lost that comment. Where did it go? So, not to poo-poo. Not to poo-poo quad bands or tri bands or anything like that, but 70 centimeter and VHF, primarily 2 meters, is going to be where most of your contacts are going to be and activity. So as much as a tri-band is fun, so is quad band, it's not that vital. It's almost like a little bit of gravy on top of something. So you want that to be a good radio first and foremost. Since you're a general, though, I don't want to look into getting into HF, right?
Whiskey 6 Tango Romeo Whiskey. Can anybody hear us?
Right now, I'm on T-Mobile. It's not my network. It looks like I'm losing. I'm losing some of the network, though, the further I get away, and I'm not even that far. So I'm going to slide back over here.
I was half expecting the water coming out of that to be brown.
I know, me too. It totally worked though.
I wonder if I can slide in right here.
Hey Dylan, N6MX, where you at, buddy?
Can't even see the screen now. There we go. Now we're locked in. Let's catch up on the 10-meter station. 2 meter. Oh, he's on the repeater. Ah, that guy's loud. Are there USB connectors on that power output too?
There's a box right there.
Okay. Oh, there's a box right there too? Oh, you got like 2 spider boxes? Dude, that's pretty slick. I may plug into that because this guy is gonna. I'm at 20%. What's the longest USB-C I got?
The highest I was able to achieve was 535 watts of max draw. At any given
535 watts is pretty good. What were you running to do that?
I think that was just a moment where all three of us were transmitting.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's pretty awesome.
But I was hoping to have more operators on this. I also have an AC inverter if you need to charge AC stuff. So.
Okay. We're using N3FJP as the logging software. You can see it on the left-hand side of the screen there. I don't know why that PDF thing is popped up. Don't forget, dude. Don't forget.
CQ Field A, CQ Field A, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey, W6TRW. CQ Field A, CQ Field A, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey, W6TRW. CQ Field A, CQ Field A, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey. CQ Field A, CQ Field A, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey, W6TRW. CQ Field A, CQ Field A, Whiskey.
Audio's going to get a little weird here if I want to keep going. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep the stream going or not because I'm getting hungry and I might dive in on one of these radios to do the bulletin. Or not the bulletin, to do the WinLink. No, I need to do WinLink. Email. You could do it. Yeah, but 15's not. You want to be like 20 or 40 for WinLink. There is, but yeah.
CQ Field A, CQ Field A, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey. CQ Field A, CQ Field A, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey, W6TRW.
Adam's down there. Where's Adam at? Maybe I should charge my iPod or my iPad off of my solar hat. But we got too much clouds, I think, for the solar hat. November Delta 1 X-ray.
Okay, November 1 Delta X-ray, W6TRW, we're 6 Oscar LAX.
What's that?
Okay, Great Sega, 1 Hotel Connecticut, we are 6 Oscar LAX. Great Sega, good luck in 73.
Congratulations on getting the True STX up and running.
CQ Field A, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey, W6TRW. Okay,
So we are, this is not an HF only contest or event,
the Kilo 5 again?
But you're only going to get local contacts on 2 meter, 70 centimeter. Oh, I realize my mic packs are probably going to die. So we're going to wrap up when everything starts going down. I'm at 16% on the iPad, so.
We are 6 Oscar, 6 Oscar LAX, 6 Oscar LAX. I need your class and section.
Local time is 12:46 p.m.
Okay, we copy your 3 Oscar, South Texas. Good luck in the contest, 73. The Norway 0 again?
Oh no, K6ARK is tearing out a deck.
Okay, Norway 0.
That's why he's not activating anymore. He's tearing out a deck.
At his house?
Yeah, I guess his old deck.
6 Oscar LAX. What is it again? Your class and section?
Yeah, we already got that question, but yeah, you can do other.
Okay,
you can do any
1G
frequency
Iowa,
basically.
got you in there. Good luck in the contest. 73s. CQ Field A, CQ Field A, W6TRW.
Looks like a
CQ
The
Field
crew
A,
is.
CQ Field A, Whiskey 6 Tango.
Let's give you a
Radio
wide
Whiskey.
shot here, everybody. Look at that. Everybody
CQ
hanging
Field
out.
A,
Look at this.
CQ Field A, Whiskey
Fantastic.
6 Tango, Radio Whiskey. Station ending in America.
You love to see it. That's what Hammery is all about, guys.
Okay, I think it's Alpha Delta 9, Alpha Delta 9 Charlie Alpha, Alpha Delta 9 Charlie Alpha, W6 Tango Radio Whiskey. We are 6 Oscar LAX. Yeah, it's W6 Tango Radio Whiskey, W6TRW.
I'm
6
at
Oscar,
the
6 Oscar
Dobson
LAX.
Wilderness
What's your
Park in
class and
Redondo
section?
Beach,
Class and
California.
section again?
Dobson. Hobson. I don't even know
Okay,
anymore.
thanks for the One Hotel India Lima, Illinois. 73s, good luck in the contest. CQ Field A, CQ Field A, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey. CQ Field A, CQ Field A, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey.
Excuse me.
Station Oklahoma, Station Oklahoma. This is W6TRW. Okay, Kilo India 5, Whiskey Delta, W6TRW, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey. We are 6 Oscar LAX, 6 Oscar LAX, copy?
Yeah, north part of Arizona in particular, it kind of reminds me of the Prescott area a little bit. But I'll be honest, all these trees and stuff wouldn't normally be around this area in California. Well, I guess some of these are local, but.
Okay, what is your class and section? Class and section again? Again, please say your class and section. What is your class and section?
Fort Mike, Oklahoma.
Okay, got the 4 Mike, Oklahoma. 4 Mike, Oklahoma.
Oh man.
Thanks for the persistence.
Check out this bag next to me, guys.
6TRW, 6 Oscar LAX. 7-3, good luck. CQ Field A, CQ Field A, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey, W6TRW. CQ Field A, CQ Field A, Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey.
I think we've lost the screen a little bit.
Whiskey 6 Tango, Radio Whiskey. Charlie.
I got a niner.
Charlie.
A niner.
Okay, Kilowatt 9, Golf, Charlie, W6TRW. We are 6 Oscar LAX.
I'm gonna grab this real fast. I'm thinking about wrapping up, guys. I think we did the thing. I will be on WinLink, so if you guys want to WinLink me, KI6NAZ. Oh no, take that back. No, I have to do KI6NAZ, don't I? No, they got to give me their WinLink logon. I will sort that out. W6TRW, throw some emails at it, and we'll make some contacts. And yeah, what else? Gonna do a after chat tonight when I get home. I think you'll know if I'm gonna do it when I go live or I don't go live. Basically, there's a birthday party for my mother-in-law, I believe, tonight, but they haven't finalized any of the details, so I don't know if I'm gonna go live or not. Oh, and I just got the low battery warning on the iPad. Perfect timing. Any questions? Any questions in the chat? Otherwise, I think I'll just wrap up here and go have fun with everybody because I'm just being a weird video guy right now.
You're fine. 73 is good. Finish contact.
I have to do the blow my nose on live stream now because I sneezed earlier. Thank you, thank you.
The Kilo India 5. The Kilo India 5.
Yeah, Russ. No, man, I understand.
Try again. There are a lot of USB fading. The Kilo India 5 again.
So that's a really good question, Ratchet. Let me pull back here so I can answer this fully. So we're using, where is it? Yeah, so that's a Buddy Hex. It's a multi-band Yagi antenna, and the single coax feed comes down the line here, and let me go around. That silver box is called a triplexer, and what it's doing is it's taking that one antenna feed and it's breaking it out to 3, and then that box that says W6TRW is a bandpass filter. So it's filtering out everything but the amateur radio band that's listed on it. So like that's probably a 15-meter one and a 10-meter one, etc. So that's what allows us to operate on multiple frequencies off of the same antenna. And then we have a number of wire antennas around here for the lower frequency bands. Great question. All right, I am quickly running out of battery here, so I think I'm just going to wrap it up. I'll probably post a live stream, but it's going to like pop up, and then I'm either going to go live or I'm not going to go live. So it'll be a small hangout. But if you operated Winter Field Day, we'd love to have you come out. If you're thinking about operating after we talk on the live stream, well, great. We'll help you out with any questions. That's what we do in the live stream after chat. I'm going to grab some food. And then, yeah, thanks everybody. Appreciate you watching. Leave questions. Appreciate everybody coming out. That's awesome. Ghetto on the air. There's a couple of parks that are, I'd argue, ghetto on the air. Watts Towers is a POTA location. That's a sketchy one. Yeah, have you done it? No. Yeah, I haven't either. I guess I could do it in the truck. I just have to roll up in like FT8 and bounce. Yeah. All right, guys, 7-3, thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Had a lot of fun. Leave your comments below, and hopefully stay tuned for another live stream a little bit